Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Temu verification code not received issue. If you're waiting for a code that never shows up, here's how to get it working again quickly. First of all, double check that you've entered the correct email or phone number. Check that you have actually entered the correct email or phone number. Even one wrong digit can block the code. Step number 2, if it's email, open your inbox and then go ahead and check your junk or spam folders. Sometimes the most code emails end up there. If it's SMS, and if it is from SMS, make sure you have good media signal that do not disturb or any SMS blocking features are turned off. Then go ahead and go to Temu back and then click on resend code. Wait at least 60 seconds before tapping again to avoid delays. If you're still not getting it, try switching from Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that works. Privacy tip: only use the official Temu app or website while entering verification codes. Avoid clicking links from random messages pretending to be Temu. Quick fix: if nothing works, log out completely, restart your iPhone, then try requesting that code again. In some cases, uninstalling and reinstalling also helps. And that's it. Subscribe